Okay, as you can see, number 94 is completely finished. I've got the body panels on. I've got the storage bin in the trunk part. Everything's, the front end's aligned. Everything's done. All I need to do is test drive it, which is really about a 1 mile run just to make sure there's no weirdness. And I got to clean it. It's, you know, they get dusty in here. So I'll clean it up real good. And other than that, boy, she's looking good. I love the color. Like I say, I have one just like it. And it's just the prettiest color. And when the sun hits this, it kind of changes colors. It goes from a red, well, in fact, this and this are two different colors right now, just because of the way the light is hitting it. And I know they're all the same color because we got one color. This actually matches this, where this matches the saddlebags. But that's, I remember that when I had one, that's what it did. And that's why it's called Illusion Red, is because it's got a lot of pearl and it's got some gold in the paint. So it changes colors with the way the light hits it. But it's good. She's looking real good. I kind of like, you know, we've been doing this all along where we do the exhaust covers. I don't like the silver because it doesn't match anything, so we always color match that to the bike. I think that really adds a lot. Yeah, that looks real good. I think the owner is going to like this. And he'll have fun driving it. They're a pretty good deal. So anyway, that one comes to a close. And I'll start building frames tomorrow for the next batch.